There's a really odd ticking or tapping sound from the engine bay. Listen. There it disappears. But if you rev the engine, ticking comes back. And then if you have it in drive at the same time, it does it longer. Rev.